Hey all, welcome back to Stroll with HMTV channel. You all know we are in Florida, just got settled. You can go to the description and check for the earlier videos, traveled to Florida and then stayed in the hotel and much more. And today, we are in an adventure island. This is nothing but a water park. So we're gonna have a water blast today. So here is a map of the adventure island. So she passed the height checks. So we are in Riptide ride. So this is nothing but a mat slide. And you know what the height? It is 55 feet height. And it's a high speed thrill ride. And you know the cool thing is, it twists through the hairpin turn before falling down. Next stop is Fabian's Funport. This is a jungle gym for smaller kids. Our Maru is having a lot of fun here. He really loves here. Rambling Bayou, often referred as a lazy river ride. We travel in this in tubes, and this ride is very calm and relaxing. The ride is very colorful and gives a feel of a rainforest with tropical waterfalls. It's time for a snack break.
What?
Hi. Good? Vanish Point. This is really a thrilling one. It literally pulls off the floor and drops down to 70 foot. Endless surf. This is a wave pool. It has a rolling surf with waves for every 5 minutes. Makes us feel like we are on a beach. Lagoon. This is a cool pool with fun net to climb.
Over there. Bye. And don't forget to
Thanks for staying with us all. Please stay tuned for more fun videos from Florida. And don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.